So let us see. Let us start with the basic understanding of quantum physics. So first we will see
Uh,
what's the quanta, right? Quanta or quantum.
okay.
Quanta or quantum means basically discrete part, discrete. We can understand this with a simple example. Please see. Suppose you have so many plants in your garden, right? We have
Okay.
so many plants in your garden, right? And you
Mm-hmm.
have to give water to these plants, right? You have to give
Mm-hmm.
water to these plants. There are two ways to give the water to these plants, right? The first way is either you take a pipe, a water pipe,
Mm-hmm.
right? And you start giving water to this all these plants, right? And the second way is you have water balloons, right? Suppose you have created the water balloons of 20 ml, right? 20 ml,
Mm-hmm.
20 ml, 20 ml, water volume, right? You have the water balloons and you are throwing your water balloons over these plants, right? There are two ways. So if you are giving it through the water pipe, so this will be called normal physics or conventional physics or Newtonian physics, right? This is the continuous
Mm-hmm.
nature. And if you are giving the water balloon kind of packets, so this is the packetization. This is what everything is in form of packet. That's the quanta. Quanta means packetization, packets. We are talking in terms of
Okay.
packets. So this is packetization. Are you getting this point? So this is
Mm.
the quantum nature. This is your quantum nature. You can say that you are giving the water in terms of quantum nature. Are you getting what is the basic meaning of quantum? So this is the quantum physics, Einstein physics. Is it okay? So there are basic
Quantum
difference
means in pack.
packets, packets or discrete. What is the meaning of packetization? See, in terms of continuous water distribution, you can give water either 10 ml, you can give even 10.1 ml, you can give even 10.25 ml. Anywhere you can stop your supply. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of quantum, in terms of water packet, if I say, can you give the 20.8 ml of water to this? So you will say no. Can you give this 30 ml water to this plant? Suppose I have given you a tender or task or tender to give the water supply of 30 ml to my plants. So if you have
Mm-hmm.
this packagization system, can you take this tender? You cannot do this because you have the you have the packets of 20 ml only. I don't need excess, I don't need less. I need exactly
Mm-hmm.
30 ml. So can you do this work? So answer will be no. Are you getting my point? So this kind of concept is
Mm-hmm.
called quantum concept, packetization. Everything is for example, in your day-to-day life, in your daily market, you are going to purchase something, for example, salt, right? And if the salt is coming in the packets of 1 kg or 500 this or 250 grams like this, so you can purchase. Wait, are you getting my audio? Hello, hello, hello. Are
हाँ
you
जी,
getting
हाँ
it?
जी.
Yeah. So either you
हाँ.
can purchase 1 kg, 500 gram or
Correct.
250 gram or in multiples of these.
Correct. सॉरी ऑडियो आपकी फिर से कट गई. हेलो हेलो. हेलो. टीचर आई कैन नॉट. हेलो. हेलो हेलो. हाँ जी, हाँ, वो
My audio?
Yes, I can get your order now. Hello, hello, hello.
Getting my audio?
हाँ जी,
Okay. So have you understood what is the basic idea about the packetization or the quantum nature?
correct.
Now see the second difference. Now see the second difference for your quantum nature. Now suppose you want to purchase a big house, right?
Mm-hmm,
Suppose you want to purchase a big house and its price or cost is suppose 1 lakh rupees, right?
mm-hmm,
Or 10 lakh rupees, right? So, in terms of continuous nature, see, light has dual nature, right? Light has dual nature. It means it has the particle nature
mm-hmm,
as well as the wave nature.
mm-hmm,
So, if you see about its particle nature, that is the quantum nature. So, in terms of quantum nature and in terms of continuous nature or wave nature, what's the basic difference? In terms of wave nature, you may purchase this house. No, whatever your salary is, you can save little part of your salary for a long time, and after, whenever your saving becomes 10 lakh rupees, you will go and purchase this, right?
mm-hmm,
But in terms of particle nature, it says that if your salary becomes greater than equals to 10 lakh rupees, then and only then you will purchase this. It means you will not go in
correct.
a saving mode, right? In Are you getting this point? So in terms of this is
Mm-hmm,
the called photoelectric effect. Let me explain. Photoelectric effect. So photoelectric effect
mm-hmm,
is what? Suppose we have a metal, right? And on this metal, if you throw some light, so the electron of this metal gets excited, right? And it can becomes free from its metallic bonding for conduction, right? So the minimum energy required to get free from this metallic bond is called work function. It is called work function, that is called phi, right? And
mm-hmm,
every light or light is continuous flow of photons. If you know, light is continuous flow of photons. What is the photons? So photons are light particles or light packets, right? And light is continuous flow of photons.
ठीक है.
Right. So according to this particle nature, this metal, now suppose take an example. Suppose work function is 5 electron volt, for example. So this metal will accept or absorb only those photons or those light which have energy content greater than equals to 5 electron. If The packet
Hmm.
has, if its packet have less than 5 electron volt, it will not absorb. It will not accept it. It will accept
समझ गया.
if and only if it will have the energy greater than 5 electron volt, as we have discussed for this example, to purchase
Hmm.
this house.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, in our day-to-day life, in the wave nature, we save our income little bit, and whenever it accumulated to a big amount, we go and purchase. But in particle
Correct.
nature, in quantum nature, this is not happen. We will purchase whenever my salary will go beyond 10 lakhs. Are you getting my
Hmm.
point? So
समझ
this is a
गया.
basic understanding about the wave nature and particle nature. Now tell me honestly, have you understood the difference between the wave nature or the particle nature or the quantum nature and the without quantum nature? Tell me.
Sorry, समझा नहीं मैं question.
I want to ask, have you understood the basic difference between the wave nature and particle nature? What's the wave nature? What's the particle nature? Or have you understood?
Difference I cannot exactly point out and tell you, but I can understand what you're saying. Like
Yeah.
once it's the
What is the
energy.
meaning of quantum? Have you understood? What is the meaning of factorization?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very good. Now let us see what it is saying. Now see, particulate nature of light, photoelectric effect. See, we have discussed roughly what's the photoelectric effect and photon. So what's the photon is? Photon is the light particle. Photon is the light particle. What is light? Light is how we can define the light. So light is continuous flow of photons. Do you know this? Light is continuous
So
flow of photons. So what is the
okay.
photon? So photon is the massless energy packet. This is the massless light particles. Light particles. Or we can say light packets or energy packets.
Mm-hmm.
So this is now light has dual nature. What is the meaning of dual nature? Light has dual nature. What is the meaning of dual nature? So dual nature means it has the wave nature as well as the particle nature. What's the meaning
समझ.
of wave nature and particle nature? So the wave nature, there are some phenomenon of light which can be explained on the basis of wave nature. What are those
Okay.
phenomena? For example, reflection,
Hmm.
reflection, refraction,
Hmm.
diffraction,
Correct.
interference, scattering, different things. Okay. Now, what's the particle nature and the explanation? The photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is based on, you can explain on the basis of particle nature of light, or we can say on the basis of quantum nature of physics or quantum physics, basically. So, what's the quantum? We can again summarize it. So, have you understood this example? If you have to give the
Uh-huh.
water to the plants, there is two-way water pipe or water balloon. So, water balloon is the quantum physics, and in this, in purchasing of the house, you will purchase this when your salary becomes greater than 10 lakh. Otherwise, you will not
Correct.
purchase this. You will not
Correct.
save
Correct.
for your long-term planning. Is it
You will
okay?
straight away just purchase it.
Exactly. So there are many things we have already covered, but in the next few classes, we will go through the detail. Have you understood the fundamental of quantum physics or not?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.